Dear marketers and business owners, are you grappling to build a wealth from online business while doing everything you can? Then, you are just at the right place. Here's something that will amaze you. The only thing between you being a successful top marketer and a grappling neophyte is a potential and top converting product. There were days when people used to hype ebooks that had a charm. But now, if you try your hands there now, you will fail and absolutely sink in. You need to stand out from others in whatever you're bringing to the table in order to succeed, otherwise, you will remain behind. And, in order to do that, you need something that is crunchy, trending, latest, and top valued in the market. By keeping all these things in mind, we have brought this professionally created done-for-you HD videos on an evergreen and top-selling niche that will grab the attention of your audience, that is Cooking Video Fire Sale. Cooking Video Fire Sale is an amazing and flavorsome pack of delicious and healthy 300 professionally created cooking videos with 10 ebooks that you can use in various colorful ways. Plus, it has a considerable amount of business focus and has an audience worth paying attention to. For this reason, it is clear that comprehensive videos, ebooks, and bonuses on this evergreen topic can be a cash cow for all the hustling businesses in terms of revenue and ROI. Moreover, without any doubt, selling private label rights to HD cooking videos is the ultimate and tested strategy to generate high incomes consistently. Now, this is the secret top marketers are earning a living online by selling digital training programs. But successful marketers are making a fortune online by selling digital products with exclusive private label rights. That means, to be a success online, you just don't need to sell any course that your customer can purchase and gain knowledgeable information. But you also need to provide them with an extensive private label rights license so they can set up an additional income stream for their business by claiming full authorship of the product, edit the contents, and sell it further for pure profits. Fortunately, we are offering a time-sensitive opportunity to get unrestricted PLR to a top-notch product that needs no hassle at your end and will shoot up your bank accounts to thousands of dollars in profit. All you have to do is: Step 1. Download our Ready for Market product. Step 2. Slap your name on it. Step 3. Upload it to your server. Step 4. Be ready to count endless profits by recurring sales. In a nutshell, your laborious work comes down to just 4 steps before you move closer to being a millionaire. Introducing Cooking Video Fire Sale with Unrestricted PLR. Unlock the potential of Cooking Video Fire Sale to accelerate engagement and earn ceaseless profits. These HD cooking videos and ebooks with bonuses can be your game changer in the world of online business. But before you make a move, let's quickly take a sneak peek at the contents of this package. 1. 300 HD cooking videos. 2. 10 ebooks. 3. 3 absolute exclusive and unique bonuses. Cooking 850 articles. 300 recipes in text file. Cooking stock images. In addition, we are providing the required resellers module to help you jump on the bandwagon. Module 1, High Converting Sales Copy. Module 2, Customer Sales Video. Module 3, Professionally Designed Graphics. Module 4, Animated Banners. Module 5, Professional Mini Site. Module 6, Customer Swipes. Unrestricted PLRs are the prolific way to channel a big balance to your bank account. Every leading marketer is aware that selling training products online drives enormous income, and this is a real deal. And the best part is that you get to keep 100% of the profits. So, if you are serious about your business, you will immediately get your hands on this opportunity. You're getting everything ready to trade and cook to serve your clients at a meager price. So, do not wait. It is a dime sale. The prices will go up. Act now.